Learn English with picture description. This is a park. This is a park. Your turn. A little girl is on a ride. A little girl is on a ride. Your turn. She is wearing a yellow dress. She is wearing a yellow dress. Your turn. A small boy is sitting next to her. A small boy is sitting next to her. Your turn. A big boy is sitting on the ride too. A big boy is sitting on the ride too. Your turn. Some people are sitting under a tree. Some people are sitting under a tree. Your turn. A boy's climbing on the round frame. A boy's climbing on the round frame. Your turn. A lady is taking a photo of him. A lady is taking a photo of him. Your turn. Many children are playing in the park. Many children are playing in the park. Your turn. Everyone looks happy. Everyone looks happy. Your turn. Where are the children? Where are the children? The children are in the park. What is the girl wearing? What is the girl wearing? She is wearing a yellow dress. Who is sitting next to the girl? Who is sitting next to the girl? A small boy is sitting next to her. What are the people under the tree doing? What are the people under the tree doing? They are sitting and watching. Who is climbing on the frame? Who is climbing on the frame? A boy's climbing on the frame. What is the lady with the phone doing? What is the lady with the phone doing? She is taking a photo. Are the children happy? Are the children happy? Yes, the children are happy.